Hey guys, okay, like I said in the other vlog, the fireworks are now started. Hey, turn up. Alright, so see you guys later.
Some light. Quit with the electronic stuff.
Do I have to pull something up?
Get over by
Whoa,
it.
oh my god,
Sorry.
I can't even see.
Put down the stupid phones. That's ridiculous.
Okay, once you light it, we all run back.
Oh, it didn't even work.
Here we go. Here, let me do it.
It's not even working.
Oh, jeez.
Chris, are you even vlogging?
Whoa! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
You wait.
Go sleep, hurry. You scared me. Okay, next round.
Oh, I didn't get it!
I got it, it's okay.
That scared me.
We go out too fast. Harassment stuff's happening.
Right here? I'm just gonna stay
Yeah.
back here because.
Right? Okay, so hopefully I'm gonna get it this time. I know that it's dark, you guys, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to get it up so then you guys can just see. Is it even working? Okay, good, it's facing the right way.
Move, Martha.
Wait. I have to do the light burner.
I said move, Martha.
And none of this is going to be edited out, so. That's nice. I'm always missing it.
Wait. Don't light it. Don't light it.
Oh, she's lighting one. I'm
Like,
sorry that it's dark, you guys.
Eyeballing.
Eyeballing.
Hey, I need the light.
Oh, honey. Sorry that this is like bad footage.
I'm trying to find like angles.
Sorry, I'm going over here to see if like it's facing the right way. Did you see that? He's with the light. Here we go.
Oh dang it!
Ooh, he's lighting two at the same time, guys.
I had to get that one.
That was so pretty.
Did you get it?
I'm gonna be really mad if I didn't get it. Oh yeah, I got it. Okay, good.
You know, I don't think I got it, so every time you check, I'm getting it on here. You know that, right?
Okay.
Okay, guys, so now let's really try to get this one this time. So, no, I'm just gonna face it up. Oh, I really got it that time. Did you get it? Did you get it? No, I'm just gonna face it up.
Yeah, got it.
I kind of sort of got it.
I wish I had a back camera.
Guys, we're doing this one.
I'm so
Big one.
ratchet.
Oh, the big one.
Okay, I gotta make sure I get this one.
I'm so sorry. I suck at this because like I can never
No, I suck.
get
How
it.
am I sucking at this?
No, you're doing better. You are actually getting them.
No.
See, guys.
I was like, how am I not
TNT,
sucking?
y'all.
How am I not sucking when you have a back camera?
Because I can't lift it up in time because it goes up too fast.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. Marcel, you run.
It's gonna shoot up. Ooh, it's so pretty.
You're gonna burn yourself. Guys, wanna go closer? Wanna go closer?
That's in the big one. That was only the small one.
Happy New Year! Oh, by the way, Dad, there's one on the ground. So get that. Wait, did you get it? Did you get it?
Yeah.
Did you get most of it? Don't look at all the war story, guys. I'm not that rude.
Oh, we're gonna do this one. Okay, there. 3 big ones. We're gonna do this small one.
Oh, dang it. Okay, let me see if I got it.
Wouldn't it be it just now?
Yeah.
No, see?
Hold on, don't start it yet. Yeah, start it, y'all.
Light it up!
Are we ready?
Yes,
Yeah.
go! Guys, I'm like falling in love with this. Is it the bigger one?
No, not
Same
yet.
size?
It's this one.
I'm going closer, y'all.
So pretty. It's the same one. No, it's a different one, but the same kind. Let's pick up the next one.
Huh?
That's it.
No.
Oh, that sucks.
Oh,
It's still lit.
that sucks.
Watch it go.
Okay, next.
What's that?
This one.
Fillet hams. Fillet hams.
What is it off?
Freezing off?
Yeah,
You said burning off.
I did.
Yeah!
Big one.
Big one.
I said, Wait, does this work?
See, I have different laughs, y'all, so now y'all can hear it. So,
Your body.
wait, let's see. Do you want to see the lightness happening? Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening! My bra strap is falling. Nice. Let's fix that.
Get the slider over here.
Fixed it. Done. Missing more than just your booty. Ha ha ha. Don't toot at me. I mean, honk at me. Ready? Let's go. That's right, run.
Oh. What?
Oh! I didn't even get it. 'cause
I didn't
I'm
even-
scared.
That's it?
Oh, I got it launched off! It scared me.
Right? I'm so sorry, guys. I thought that was it. And then I went, "Pachoo!"
Oh, got 2 more.
2 more. So, Leah, do you want to go that one? Or are you scared that you are not going to be ready? Move, 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 move.
No, I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Hurry up.
I'm ready.
Hold on, I'm not ready yet.
Not yet. Hurry, Celia.
I'm hurrying.
Trying to figure out like filters here, guys.
Okay.
Go!
This is an animal one. It's animals. So I think animals will shoot out.
I don't think it's too loud.
I scared her again. I missed it again!
Ow! Ow!
What?
Ow! Man, I was looking up and then it started hitting me. Okay, I saved the best for last.
I think there's something like in my ankle, but like, I'm not complaining. Okay, now I know to keep this up.
Yeah.
Hit her chin. Like,
Wear a hat.
You should
Oh, yeah, you have a big black spot. Yeah.
okay, guys, I'm gonna point this upward now.
Okay,
Yeah, you can hear it all bouncing like out the ceiling. Snapchat.
Get it over by the...
Marissa, don't look up this time. She was like,
What?
I want to do it. Not till you know.
No.
I'm scared.
She's running back farther.
It hit me.
Oh, I got it! I got it! I think I got it. She ran in the garage!
Hit you again?
Is that all?
Yeah.
Stupid.
Oh, alright. Bye guys.
It's,
Next vlog. Soon.